cute little bird that I actually thrifted, and I wanted to use it. And at the time I bought it, I was thinking that the blue would be fine, but the more I look at it, the more I think I'm gonna kind of tone down the blue, and I'm gonna add a little bit of green to it. So I've just been playing and I've been mixing up some colors, and I'm just gonna kind of lightly brush over. I'm not gonna cover up the blue completely, or at least that's my plan, but I'm just gonna kind of lightly brush over the blue to kind of tone down so much blue, and I think it's gonna be so cute. But I'm gonna start with the underneath first, just to kind of figure out what I'm gonna do. So I thrifted it for $1.99. So let's get started. Here's my color. I took this sea glass from Americana, and I took this classic green from FolkArt, and I also like dipped my brush handle into the cap of this territorial beige and kind of come up with this color. So let's just see how it looks. I'm gonna wipe the excess off of my brush. And then I'm gonna probably go in when all this is done and kind of do a little bit of shading with the browns. So that's the plan.
I'm driving, you're smiling, just really doing nothing. That's the thing I like about you. Keep on driving, we just do what we wanna do. Yeah, no, nothing's complicated with you. Hey, we're playing songs on the radio, sing along to the words that we don't know how. Brings out the wildness, let's just run away. Yeah, I could drive the whole along, being with you is like being on the rodeo highways. Brings out the wildness, I got a little crush on you. You say that I'm crazy, it's just the way that I get every time that I am with you. Your laughter takes me to heaven, I just wanna make you repeat it and repeat it again. Yeah, you make the sky so blue. No, nothing's complicated with you. Hey, we're playing songs on the radio, sing along to the words that we don't know how. Brings out the wildness, let's just run away. Yeah, I could drive the whole along, being with you is like being on the rodeo highways.
Okay, so now that my little bird is painted, and I think he's adorable, it's literally just, you just play with it, you know, till you get it like you want it. There's no rhyme or reason, and it's just playing. So now that he's done, which I may go work on his tail a little bit underneath, but it's not gonna really be seen. But now I have this. I also thrifted. It was 99 cents. And I love it. I think it's beautiful. But I think what I'm gonna do is right in here with these little flowers, I'm gonna attempt to add just a sprig of green in there, because it's just still, I'm gonna leave all the blues and stuff up here, but this is just still a little bit much. I just wanna add a little bit of green down here, and wish me luck that I can make it look good. This was 99 cents. So, I mean, if I mess it up, it wouldn't be good, but it's not gonna be a great loss. It's not like I'm painting over a Picasso. So let me work on this little area. So using the same green that I had mixed up, I'm just gonna kind of just do a little bit down here. I don't know if this is gonna work, y'all. I'm probably screwing up, but you know what? Live and learn, right?
Never knew that it could feel this way when you lie next to someone.
I'm just dabbing my brush off so it's not so intense.
You find the way you are. I wanna know you better. Give me every detail. I won't judge you, as you know. I could stay forever when you're lying in my arms. My heart is open. It just took some time. Now I just hope that you'd stay for a little while. You fix what's broken when you make that smile. So just stay for a little while. So just stay for a little while.
I didn't think
I
that.
think that looks too bad. You still have the blue. I think it looks pretty cute. So with these two beside each other, I may go in here just to do a little bit more blending right through there.
It's cold outside, but you make it alright. I wanna know you better. Give me every detail. I won't judge you, as you know. I could stay forever when I'm lying in your arms.
My heart is open.
It's just a quick little video to kind of show you how you can take thrifted items that don't necessarily match your decor and kind of customize them and make them match. And I didn't buy these like to go together, but I think I'm gonna use them together. So now toning that blue down, I think really works with it, and toning the blue down on the little bird. And there's still a little bit of blue in there, you can see, which is fine. I don't mind that. But it was just like a little too much blue for me. So yeah. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, hit that little red subscribe button. And until next time, bye y'all.
My heart is open. It just took some time. Now